welcome to my channel. We are doing a gingerbread road townhouse. Let's start. We need is icing tubes, candies, and gingerbread cookies. Let's start. We put the icing tubes, then I put this one. Then we're going to put this. We're going to put this on the house. Look at my new house. I made it. It's ready. 2 houses are done. We are going to do the last one, and then the gingerbread house is done, and then we're going to decorate it. Are you ready for it? I'm so excited! We're going to put this. Look at my gingerbread roll house. It's finished. But what we need to do is decorate our gingerbread roll house. Look at my gingerbread roll house. It's finished. Now we're going to decorate it. I'm so excited we're going to decorate it. Look at my townhouse. I'm decorating. At the end, it'll get finished and it will be so beautiful. Look, I'm decorating my houses. It's so much fun to decorate it. And I'm almost done, okay? If you like this beautiful row house, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.